How do I enter dates in ISO 8601 date format, YYYY-MM-DD, in Excel, and have Excel recognize that format as a date value? I tried to enter this date in ISO 8601 format, YYYY-MM-DD, in Excel 2010, April 8, 2012, but Excel automatically converts the date format to April 8, 2012. I tried scrolling through the different types of date formats that Excel allows me to choose from, but the YYYY-MM-DD format isn't there. Is there a way for Excel to recognize the ISO 8601 date format as a date value, and not automatically convert it to another format, when entered in a cell?
What you want is to use a custom format. Just type it in the box.
There's a much easier, safer way to do this. In dates, just change your locale to Australia and poof. ANSI standard dates are available, and if you're in the US, Canada, Australia, or New Zealand, it doesn't monkey with your currency format, as all those countries all use the dollar symbol. Why in their infinite wisdom Microsoft doesn't make this available to all locales is a mystery, but it has been this way for years.
I had been using the custom formats before. I changed my system region, control panel in GT, all control panel items in GT, region to English, United Kingdom, short date to YYYY-MM-DD, and Excel then did not autocorrect from the 6th of October 2015 to the 10th of June 2015. It did not autocorrect the other way though, but if you enter it that way it will stay that way. Saved me some time for sure.
Excel recognized your entry of YYYY-MM-DD, which is why it automatically converted it to your regional short date format, Windows 7, Start in GT, Control Panel in GT, Region and Language in GT, Formats. What you wanted was for Excel to recognize and display the format. In addition to the above, if you want a date that responds to the user's short date format, add an asterisk YYYY-MM-DD. I don't recommend it, but you can do it. I once did a list where we wanted items sorted by date, but for posting on the web, we wanted to display only the year and month. We had our date column where we entered the date in full YYYY-MM-DD. In a second column, B, we converted the date, equals A2, to show only the year and month with the cell format, YYYM. When it came time to post, we sort by date, copy the other needed columns, say BD, and paste on the web page. Worked like a charm.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.